That's hot right there. Yeah, right in the middle. Heat the freezer plate on. Alright, the lid's on. Wide open at the bottom, wide open on top. Alright, ready to roll. We got here yard bird, spatchcock chicken. Alright. Alright. Got the Jealous Devil lump charcoal. It's going, big chunks in there, so it's gonna last me a while. So that's all I'm gonna need for this cook. Spatchcock that chicken, season it with the Salt Lick chicken rub. I love that rub. So we're gonna get a temp 275 if we can, 300. You know, it's just a chill day. You know, I'm fine with high temps if it goes that high. You know, we'll let it ride. Top vents open, bottom vents open. Let's just go with it. Let's just go with the flow. Let's just have a good time, kick back. You know, I plan on drinking just a few for this cook, so let the music play. I'm gonna rest. It's spring break. Let's enjoy our time, right? So let's let Hot Rod do its thing, and I'll get back to you. Alright, we got, it's just above 300. Still wide open. And then here, it's still open. You can see I labeled it CHO, closed, halfway open. So I know this way is closed, this way to be halfway open right there. So I know when to dial it back or dial, you know, open it up, get some air in there just to help me out. So I'm gonna let it ride. I'm okay with this, you know. It's just going with the flow, you know. So yeah, and this is about 10 minutes in. Yeah, I can tell, but it's smoking, and I can just smell. I can smell that rub. Oh man, this will be some good eating right here. It started to get past 350, so I was like, nah, I don't want it too high. So I dialed it back, as you can see. So, but I'm gonna open it up just a bit right there. So, yeah, but what I'm gonna do, oh, looking good. I tell you, it smells so good. I can just smell it from where I'm at. But I'm just going to add this in right here. Alright. But yeah, it's looking good. Man. Alright. Let's close it up. There she is. Hot Rod. Right now the turn-up temperature of the chickens and the chicken breast is sitting at 147. But it's just, I gotta say, it's just kicking ass right now. And just think, this was set on the curb because the owner no longer wanted it. And now it's in my possession, and look at that. Here's an update. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just close to 300. Still wide open. This is where I have it at. there. And let's see if you can tell. It's at 163. There it is. 163 at the breast. I'm gonna take it up to 170. I'm having a pretty good time out here, just relaxing, and it's been pretty windy this week here. So, but right now it feels pretty good. So I'm just enjoying my time. But I don't know if you can hear it, but it's, oh man, that bird is cooking, and it's smelling so good. I don't know if you can take a peek in there. But yeah, we're getting there. Yep, look at Hot Rod. I love this kettle. Alright, it's at 171. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Looks good to me. What do you think? That rub, it smells so good. It smells so good. Yeah. I'm gonna take it off and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the music play. Just chill and relax. And yep. Alright, so I'm gonna take it off and then let it rest. This was a fantastic cook. I mean, Hot Rod right here did fantastic. The Jealous Devil lump charcoal did fantastic. Oh man, the Sky Flame accessory, it did fantastic. And I gotta say, this bird tastes fantastic. But yeah, I mean, it did the job. You know, spatchcock it, and take no time at all. You know, did go up to 350, right close to 350, and dialed it back down and stayed around 300. But man, this cook was about an hour and 30 minutes. Man, nothing to it. So you know, you don't always gotta cook it low and slow. Just bump up the temp. You'll be fine. Oh yeah. Well, Hot Rod, man, you know, this was fun. Got to spend time out here and just listen to music and drink a few brews, not too many, but you know, just relax. Cleaned up a little bit in the garage. Still got more to go, but hey, I was able to just take it easy, relax, and that's what the Weber kettle right here does. Just lets you do what you need to do. It's gonna do the job. But you know, got more videos to come, so you know what, I don't say this often, but hey, if you're watching my channel, watching my videos, like and subscribe. You know, you'll get more and more I release. I've tried to do at least 2 videos a week if I can, or at least 1. But you know, if you're, you know, creeping around, you know, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit all notifications, and you know, you'll get videos. So you know, and hey, you'll get to see what I do, and this is what I do, and I love what I do. You know, that's it. Just to bring you some chill back, relaxing videos to where it's like you're with me right now, chilling, and we're cooking. So like and hit that subscribe button. So as always, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching, and smoke on, everyone.